In this video, I will discuss how to create a matrix using the matrix function. There are also two functionality, that is rbind and cbind, about which I will discuss in the next video. So matrix is a two-dimensional data structure. That means each and every element of a matrix is recognized by a row and a column. So first of all, let's make a matrix X. So the function is matrix itself. So its matrix arguments are that first you have to put the data vector. Say here I put 1, 4, 6 and 7. Numbers are arbitrary. And then the argument comes number of row, that is n row, equal to 2. N col equal to 2. See one thing, that this number of row and number of columns should tally with the matrix vector. That is, I have 4 elements in the vector, so I have to put a number of row and number column in such a way that 2 into 2 is here 4. So I can't put it 3 into 3 because other elements will be null then. And next is by row. So I will do by row equal to true. That means this vector will be arranged in row. That means 1 and 4 will go in the first row and 6 and 7 will go in the second row. So see that our matrix is 1, 4, 6, 7. So what happens if I do not mention that n row, n column and by row? See, it actually doesn't matter whether I am giving this n row, n col, still it will make a matrix of same. If I do not put this by row argument, then the matrix will by default be made by column wise. That means 1 and 4 comes into the first column and 6 and 7 comes to the second column. By the function dim, dim, we can have the dimensionality of the matrix. See here 2, 2. Also, we can make the data vector at first, that means say 1, 2, 16, and then we make the matrix as matrix A, 4, 4, and see that it will be have a column wise binding. So what happens if your data vector doesn't tally with the matrix? See here, if in the same matrix I put the data vector as 1 to 12 and then I give dimensions at 4, 4, then we do not have enough elements in the data vector so that it can tally with the dimensions. That is 4 into 4 is 16. That means we need 16 elements, but we actually have 12 elements. So what R do? It goes back to the first 4 elements for the rest 4. So that is, see, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When R is reaching the third column, the data vector is exhausted, but still we have 4 entries left. So these 4 entries are filled by the first 4 elements of the vector, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it goes back to the vector's first elements. So that is how you can make a matrix by matrix function. In the next video, I will discuss how to make a matrix by rbind and cbind function.